hate swallowing gum. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a haul. I feel really hot. I feel really hot. I've been picking up like a few little... Do you know, I hate my... I was honestly contemplating putting my wig on today, like it's that bad. It's just boring and it's just flat. Ooh, haven't eaten yet, but I don't want to eat before the try on clips because, you know, like want to be skinny and all that. Literally, I know so many girls will relate. Anyway, today's video is going to be a try on haul of all the bougie things I've got recently, although they're not that bougie because I don't really know that much about style. I don't really know how to sum up my style, to be honest. Like, it's kind of all over the place. I'll see something, I'll like it, I'll buy it. It all depends on the occasion. Got a snip chit. I'm just gonna like start off with whatever's closest to me. I'm also gonna leave everything linked on my 21 buttons instead of leaving it linked here because it's just a lot easier and you can see how I style the outfits. So I'll leave my 21 buttons account in the description box down below if you want to go and follow me over there and see all the bougie things that I bought. So, ladies and gentlemen, I was really nervous to get this, you know, it's just a bit out there, a bit out of my comfort zone. Wow. It's this like big oversized black jumper from prettylittlething. I honestly have these in so many different colours. They're the best jumpers ever. They're so... Is this record? Yeah. They're so soft and they're really easy to wear. I love these for the gym because I can like tie them around my waist whilst I'm like doing my thing and then put them on afterwards, so like I can hide my boy-like physique. Yeah, it's really comfortable. I love black. It's my favourite colour in clothing. Black is my dress code for college, so I can literally throw this on with a pair of leggings on a day when I'm just really not feeling it and I'm good to go. Next thing I got, I've had so many questions on because I've posted it around on my Instagram and I've also worn it a lot out in public. It is this square net bodysuit. I don't see... You can... This is the thing with hauls, like I'm showing you, you can see, like why am I going to explain this to you when you can literally see it on my body and see it in person? But I'm going to do it anyway because I want to get the video up to 10 minutes because, you know, revenue and whatever. That was a joke if you're going to get salty. It's this long sleeved square neck bodysuit. This is so unbelievably flattering. I don't really wear it with a bra because it's tight enough to kind of keep the girls squashed in. It's so flattering on like your décolletage area. I feel like it's really classy without being too like covering everything up, if that makes sense. It's a nice material. It's like really thick, so it's not going to go see-through on your nips if you don't want to wear a bra. I absolutely love this bodysuit. Like, I just think it's great. I think everyone should have one, and that was not clever. Interesting. Next thing I got was this bad boy. Basic pink bandeau crop, versatile, cute, thick, so you cannot wear a bra with it, although if you do get cold your nips will poke through. I'm also gonna do the classic YouTuber and like apologise for the lighting because it's weird weather today. Like, it's really bright and the sun keeps coming out and then going back in, so I'm sorry if the lighting is all over the place. It's really nice, like really stretchy. I think it's lycra. I don't know if I've just got that completely wrong, but I swear on like the label it had like a lycra label. This is from Topshop. I got it in a size 10 because I was scared like a size 8 would be too small on my boobies and would like squash them down a bit or like give me that awkward, you know, that roll you get. Not a fan of that. I think it's super cute and would be like really easy to kind of dress up and dress down, and you can't have enough bandits in the summer. They are a classic. Thank you very much. Next thing I got, I've literally had so many questions on this. It's literally covered in fake tan. That is so embarrassing. Ew, it's like yellow. That is a problem. It is this gorgeous white dress. As you can see, the armpits are really orange from fake tan. The armpits are super orange from fake tan, so just try to ignore that. You can't really see it here, but you'll see it better on the try on clip. It's this really pretty like white dress. I saw this on prettylittlething and this is in a size 6, which is actually quite small. Usually I'd get an 8, but they didn't have an 8, so I just got a 6, but it still fits fine. It's alright. I love this dress. I feel like it's the perfect in between because it's kind of casual but a little bit more dressy, and I never ever ever wear white, like ever. Like I will never ever 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 wear white. So it was really different for me, but literally this with a tan and a cute pair of heels is just, it's a vibe. It's a classy, meeting the parents, going to the races, which was what I did, vibe, and I love it. I think it's really cute. It's quite like a, I feel like a lot of people will really dislike this, but personally I love it. I think it's great. And because that dress is literally so unbelievably see-through, you're gonna need to get a slip, so I literally just got like a nude slip to wear underneath it. Nude slips will change your life, just saying. They're a fabulous investment and I would definitely get one. And I can't believe this is the last item. I've literally got like 5 things, but I swear I have more. Oh shit, yeah. I got a pair of shoes from prettylittlething too, and they were like, oh, and I'm wearing something now. I got this really gorgeous pair of like black kind of strappy heels from prettylittlething. I don't know where they are. I've tried to find them, but to be honest, they're not the best quality. Like the sole has already started bending off, which, you know, could do without, to be honest. They were like £35 though, so they weren't super expensive, and I can just glue the sole back on, but still, like, basic need is for a sole to stick on a shoe. Yeah, I got those, and they're just classic black heels. Don't really know what else to say about them. A lot of the stuff I've bought here are just classics for summer, and then I'm gonna start buying more like interesting pieces for my wardrobe. So let me know if you do like these hauls and you would enjoy seeing more. Anyway, I got those, and then I also got these, which are the new love of my life. I honestly think these are the greatest things to ever happen to me, ever. These are from Topshop, and they are Jamie flared jeans in 2018. It's like the 80s or the 70s or 80s. The jeans. Flared jeans 80s or 70s. I have a feeling they're 70s. Or, no, I have a feeling they're 80s. Yeah, they're 80s. Yeah, they're 80s, I think. I don't know. They should never have died is all I'm trying to say. These jeans are like my new love in life. I just want to go to sleep with them next to me every night and just wake up and fall in love all over again. I actually got these on a day where my teacher didn't turn up to college, so we just all went shopping instead, and it was really funny. These are just so unbelievably flattering. They make your legs look amazing. I told my boyfriend I bought a pair of flare jeans, and he was like, you got flares? But then when he saw them on, he was like, oh yes, B. Absolutely love these. They're just classic black, really stretchy material, so they're gonna fit well. Very happy to have them in my life. Next thing I got, I'm actually wearing now. Excuse my feet, why do they look so orange? What the hell? I'm wearing these now. They're a pair of kind of weird funky print trousers. I don't really know how you'd explain them. I call them my Versace trousers because like the print is kind of gives me Versace vibes. I'm very aware they're not Versace trousers. They were like 18 quid off prettylittlething. I just thought these would be really good as like a throw-on pair of trousers to wear around the house, but then they're also acceptable to like answer the door in, and like, who am I kidding? I literally answer the door naked. Well, not naked, but like in a towel most of the time. You know, if you want to go from lounging out around in the house and someone's like, yo, do you want to go and do something? Or someone wants to come over to your house, you're like, I'm prepared, but I'm still comfortable. Cool. I got these in a size 8. I don't know if they'll still sell them anymore because they were in the sale. I just thought I'd snatch them up. But you can also dress them up with like a bodysuit and a pair of heels. These are the Versace. My legs start cramping. Now another thing I got were a pair of Nike Air Force. Ooh. Looking a bit dirty. Like the dress, these are also covered in fake tan. These are just basic trainers. I don't really know what to say about them. I lived in my Stan Smiths for so long and they were absolutely destroyed, and they still are absolutely destroyed. And because I got Boost soles, I actually use them in the gym, so I've kind of worn them out that way too. They're literally such good gym trainers. Like, it's gonna sound so weird, but trust me, Boost soles are amazing in the gym. Really like these. I got the men's ones in a size 6 or 7. I can't remember. I've got quite large feet and I just love them. I love how chunky they are. I love really chunky shoes. I don't know why, I just feel like they make my legs look good. But yeah, I literally love these trainers. They're super comfortable. They never cause me any problems with like blisters or anything, and I always feel like it's really important to invest in the shoes you're gonna wear every day kind of thing, because your feet affect like your knees and all this stuff. I've got really problematic knees and I always need my shoes to be a-okay. So that is the end of my video. I feel like it's gonna be pretty short but sweet, but I don't know, I won't know till I come to edit it. I really hope you like all the things I got. As I said before, they will all be listed on my 21 Buttons account, which I will have listed in the description box down below if you do want want to go and follow me over there. It's a fun time. It's a fun time on all my social medias. And on that note, I also have every other social media that I have listed in the description box down below. If you would like to go and follow me over there, I'm most active over on my Instagram, but I'm also getting into Twitter more. Twitter's where like my inner emo comes out, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I do really hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you would like more hauls in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you would like to have my videos come up in your subscription box. I love you all so much. I've got a really exciting video coming this weekend. It's actually a mukbang / Q&A with my boyfriend, so make sure you're subscribed and you've got your notifications on so you don't miss that. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to say. I love you all so much. How many times am I gonna say that? And I will see you all very soon. Well, this weekend to be precise. And good luck to anyone doing exams. I completely forgot to mention that, sorry. Bye!